Is Coinpayu legit and a great way to earn Bitcoin just by clicking as it claims here on the website, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Coinpayu review, I will give you an inside look and I will show exactly how it works and show you both the pros and the cons, because it definitely has both, and then you will be able to decide if this is something you want to invest your time in or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. I have now logged into Coinpayu, and it is fairly easy to navigate on the site and find your way around, which is of course great. So let's just start by going over how you can earn here so you can see if it will be worth it. And one of the main ways to earn here is by viewing ads. That is also why they claim on the front page that you can earn just by clicking. And there are some different options here. So let's just start by going over them so you can see how it works. So if I just click here the surf ads, and what you then need to do is that all you have to do is see here how long you have to visit a certain website, and then you can check out the reward here. So I would just click here, a new screen would open up, and for some reason this was an internal link there that is a little bit confusing, that they sent me to a website with the referral contest here. But then you can see here that there is a counter that then counts down. So you do not necessarily have to be on the website that it sends you to. Usually, if I try one of the other ones here, you can see this would be an external website that you would be sent to. And if you have joined other paid to click sites before, then you will know that usually on those sites there will be a counter, but here it is quite different. And if I jump back here, you can see that it counts down there. And because I did not wait until the other one finished, you can see this one stopped counting and then this one is counting now. But I do actually not have to be on the website itself to get it to count down here. So you can see now it is almost there, and then it says I have earned these 11.5 Satoshi, and what that is worth we will get into later when we will talk about the payout methods. So this is the main way to earn here on Coinpayu. There are some other ads you can watch as well here. It works the same way. You have to click them here and then a screen will open, or in this case you can also watch some videos and you can see how much you will earn and how much of the video you have to watch to earn that. It can seem like an easy way to earn, but it really does not give high rewards, as you will know if you know how much a Satoshi is worth, but I will also go more into that later. But overall, yes, it is easy, but definitely not an effective way to earn. Another way to earn is by going to the offer section, and if you have used get paid to sites before, you will know that many of them have what's called offer walls, and you can see that Coinpayu gives access to quite a lot of different offer walls, and all these offer walls have different offers. It can be games you need to download, it can be service you need to take, it can be contests you need to sign up for, and you can see how much you would get for it here. But also make sure to always read the conditions for each of these offers. And you can do that just by clicking and then see exactly what the conditions are here, because it is usually not enough to just, for example, in this case, download the game. You also need to play it and reach a certain level before you will then get your points. So always make sure to check that. Some of the offers here can be great, but some of them are really not worth it. And overall, even though Coinpayu has a lot of available offer walls, it is just not my favorite site to take these offers on. Many of them you can find on other get paid to sites that I personally prefer instead. But if you decide to join Coinpayu, there definitely are a lot of options in this section here that can be worth checking out. So at first, those methods I just shown seems like the main ways to earn on Coinpayu. But if you dig a little bit deeper, it turns out that as many other paid to click sites, PTC sites, one of the ways that they would really like you to earn is by getting you to upgrade a membership and pay for ads here and getting referrals here. And if you do not know what you're doing, you can end up losing quite a bit of money. And if I just go to the account plan, you can see you can join for free and you will also start earning, but you will earn more if you upgrade your membership. And especially you will earn more also from the referral clicks, and this is because they really encourage you to invite other people. So this is a way for them to build up more members and of course to get you to pay, because then you will get a higher commission. But before getting carried away and think this looks really great if I can suddenly get 50% of the clicks of any person I refer, then first of all you need to make sure you actually invite people that think it is worth clicking here, and a lot of people will not, because the rewards are really not high on a paid to click site like this. And secondly, you need to be aware of the price you would have to pay, because here you can see that you would pay 300,000 Satoshis monthly for this senior partnership here. And as you could see earlier, you could maybe earn between 10 and 20 or maybe sometimes 30 Satoshis for clicking an ad. And if a referral of yours would do that, you would earn 50% of this. So that would mean they would need to click a lot of ads to even just make your money back. So this is definitely something to consider, and this is something that I in general do not like with many pay to click sites. This is not just Coinpayu, but that is that they have these upgraded memberships that can seem very appealing if you are new to making money online. But if you dig a little bit deeper, you can very well end up losing a lot of money, because it is not as easy as it might sound. You can earn extra by doing this, but you really need to have a plan, and it is not something I would recommend you to jump in right away. If you decide to do this, then join first, earn a bit, and use some of the earnings to try one of the lower memberships here and see if you can even make a profit. And if not, then it is not worth it. You need a really solid plan, and you really need to know what you're doing to make it worth upgrading for one of the higher paying memberships, in my opinion. So now you know how you can earn on Coinpayu, but you of course also need to know how you can get your earnings out. And as they also make quite clear even on the front page of the website, this is mainly interesting if you want to earn cryptocurrencies. And you can see here in the FAQ section what the payout threshold is, and that will depend what kind of cryptocurrency wallet you will be using. And you can see the lowest one here is around 5,000 Satoshis here, and at the moment of recording this video here, that is around 50 cents. So it is actually a really low payout threshold, and that is definitely something I like. So if you decide to join, then the threshold is not too high, but by clicking the ads, as I shown earlier, it can still take quite a bit of patience to reach 5,000 Satoshis. And then overall, to make something that really makes a difference for you will definitely take a lot of patience. But if you would like to earn cryptocurrencies, yes, it definitely does have some decent options here. But if you want to do tasks like this and earn in cash, then this is not the right option for you. Then there are other sites you should join instead. Overall, Coinpayu can be a way to earn cryptocurrencies if you are interested in this, but it will take some patience. The rewards are quite low here, and I would advise you to be careful about upgrading to a paid membership. I know they kind of make it look like it will be a really great investment, but trust me, I have tested hundreds of sites like this, and if you're new to this and do not really know what you're doing, you can very well end up losing money instead of making. So if you decide to try this, then start slowly, but be prepared to invest quite a bit of time to earn anything here. And if you want to know even more about Coinpayu, or if you want to know more about sites that in my opinion gives better value for your time, then I have all that information on my website paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link to that below this video here, so make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.